Assalamualaikum. Today I'll tell you about pictograph. According to definition, a pictograph is a way of showing data using images. Here question arises how we can represent our data in the form of images. So here is an example which will help you to understand pictograph. So the data is days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of apples sold: 60 apples sold on Monday, 30 apples sold on Tuesday, and so on. One thing is similar in this data, that the given numbers are multiples of 10 and divisible by 10 also. Before drawing pictograph, we'll choose a suitable scale. Like 1 apple represents 10 apples, because in the data all the numbers are multiples of 10. Why we didn't choose 1 apple is equals to 1 apple? Because if we choose 1 apple is equals to 1 apple, then our graph become too much lengthy. Because on Monday 60 apples sold, so we have to draw 60 apples. To choose a suitable scale is the best method. Here you can see the scale. Apple is equals to 10 apples. Now first row of data, days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be written here like that. Now second row of data is number of apples sold. 60 apples sold on Monday, but I have drawn only 6 apples because 1 apple represents 10 apples, like that. 60 divided by 10 is equals to 6. So here are 6 apples. 30 divided by 10 is equals to 3. So here are 3 apples. 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2. So here are 2 apples. 70 divided by 10 is equals to 7. So here are 7 apples. On Friday, 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1. So here is 1 apple. On Saturday, 50 divided by 10 is equals to 5. So here are 5 apples. I have another example for you. The data is year 2017, 2018, 2019. The data is year 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Number of robots manufactured by a factory: 32 robots manufactured in 2017, 48 in 2018, 24 in 2019, 40 in 2020. In this graph, I choose a symbol star because the shape of robot is difficult. So you can choose any picture which is easy for you. So the numbers in the data are multiples of 8. So the scale is star represents 8 robots. 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4. So in 2017 I have drawn 4 stars. In 2018 I have drawn 6 stars because 48 divided by 8 is equals to 6. In 2019 I have drawn 3 stars because 24 divided by 8 is equals to 3. In 2020 I have drawn 5 stars because 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5. I'll tell you the main points of pictograph. Number 1. Choose a suitable scale. Number 2. Pick a suitable picture or symbol that accurately represents your data. Means picture should be below one another.